What's up, everyone? This is KTD Food Reviews. I'm Whyte. You know Devin Pinckney. So we are at the Kingston collection. They got some new restaurants here, or food court places here. And one of the places is Hot Doogy, which is like hot dogs and milkshakes and stuff of that nature. So
with mystery ingredients, because there's no list.
Yeah, we just
perhaps if you looked online.
Yeah, we didn't. It was just pictures, so we went with the pictures. Which one? What did you get here, Devin?
I ordered the linguiça. Because I like linguiça, I figured it'd be a fair go.
Makes sense.
Looks like there's some sort of relish, some olives going on. Clearly potato sticks. I'm quite intrigued.
I think I see ketchup and mustard and some green stuff. And then also we got the steak and cheese, which is steak cheese, and it looks like tomatoes and green peppers. So that's pretty basic. This one's a mystery. This one's pretty. So which one you want to go with first?
This one's closer to me.
Let's go with that one. All right, there you go.
And dig in. Quite a handful.
I cut it pretty badly. I think. Mess. This is a mess. It's only a mess because I cut it. Like I don't even know how to attack this.
There's peas and corn in it too, so interesting pick. I'm a fan.
A lot of flavors.
I'm a fan. There is a lot going on.
Wow,
that's why I like it, because I can't even guess all those.
There's like mustard. I got that. The relish is, it's not bad. I don't know if I would order this. You kind of reassemble. There's jalapenos in here. You're trying to kill me. Jalapenos in there. I'm gonna die. Oh, we brought the EpiPen. I'm gonna go for another bite.
You handle the hot sauce okay. Mr. Payne rated you for these peppers.
Awesome. Alright. That's all I'm gonna take on that one. It's alright. If you like that kind of stuff, you like it.
I'll say like a B. If we had to give a letter grade.
Letter grade?
Are we doing
I like that. No, we'll do letter grade, so I like that better. But give it like a B plus or a B minus. Let's do that.
Okay, no definitive.
No B's, no C's. It's B plus.
I do a B plus.
B plus. All right. I give it like a. It's just not what I like. That's the problem. It's not bad. I'm not gonna like. I don't think it's a bad. If you like it, get it. But not what I would.
Yeah, it's pretty busy.
I'm gonna give it.
There's a lot going on.
That's why I'm gonna give it a C plus. It's just not in my realm of things that I eat.
It's still a good score.
But I like my. It's a lot of flavors. There's corn in it. Why is there corn? I don't know. It's crazy. All right. Hopefully I'll ruin my plate for this next one. So now I have the steak and cheese. This is what I'm more excited about here. Oh, we have more plates. Switch this out. We got the
new plate.
Devin, you want to switch yours out too? There's a steak and cheese hot dog. Steak and cheese hot dog. I mean, this one is more manageable than the other one to eat. Does yours like falling apart too? Or?
Right through the middle.
Yeah, mine do too. This one seems more like something I would eat. Something I like make at home. This, you know. The steak is pretty good on this. It's alright.
I like this one better. It's simple, but very effective.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. I would definitely get this one again, like if I was to go back. So this is Hot Doogy at the Kingston collection. D-O-O-G-Y, Hot Doogy. We have another location, the Natick Mall. That's pretty good. I'd give this, excuse me, if I give this a letter grade, I give it a, because it was really just what I like this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna give it an A-. Because there's always room for growth, you know? What do you think?
I have to agree with the A-.
Yeah, well,
It's really good.
I'll pass
Didn't
this
like
one
blowing
over
my
too.
socks off, but
If anyone wants this. Yeah. But what'd you give it?
A-.
A-. Oh, all right. High score. Yeah. So yeah, try one of these. These look good. The onion rings. A little chewy, kind of cold. I don't know if we waited that one. We waited that one. How was yours? That's got that one.
Feels like just a regular O-ring.
We'll try another one. Give it another shot.
Pretty good. I'll definitely make the whole box though.
What's that?
They're good. I would eat the whole box.
You can, because I'm not the biggest fan of them. Kind of hard and cold. I don't know if we waited too long. Was that why? How did we wait that long?
It's also very cold in here.
That's maybe it too. The
they're
Kingston Mall,
variable.
Kingston Collection, there's no heat, so I don't know what they need to do about that. They need to like turn Filing's basement into like a coal, they shovel coal like a furnace.
Good old fashioned way.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll try a fry. I'll try fries.
Some French fries. Go for a scoop.
I get down with the fries. The hot dog itself is pretty good too inside the steak and cheese one. So that was linguiça in the first one. The second one was just a regular hot dog. It was pretty good. Yeah. What do you think with the fries, alright?
Fries are good.
Fries are good, I like fries.
Could use a dash of pepper, but
Pepper.
that's more of a personal preference.
Pepper. You can't expect them to put pepper in.
No. You gotta generalize things.
The fries kind of remind me of Charlie Horse and Kingston fries. If you're a Kingston person, we're at the Kingston Mall. They kind of remind me of that, and I like that. But yeah, so I think that's what we got here. So come to Kingston Collection, try Hot Doogy. They're a new restaurant here at the food court. Got a remake because everything
Give it a
left.
thumbs up.
Everything left, and then they we're gonna do a couple more places too. So.
Support local.
Yeah, support local. Go to the Kingston Mall and get a hot dog. And yeah, see you next time, right? Y'all be sweet. Peace.